May I please, Your Lordship? In connection with item 16 in the supplementary list, as per the direction passed by the Honorable Court, as per the liberty given, Lordship, we have filed the affidavit in opposition this morning. So that may be called for, Lordship, from the registry.
Copy served?
We have already filed. Yes, we have served a copy.
Okay, received. And are you also filing any additional affidavit? No. Okay, because I just called for the affidavit. Yes.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item 14 from the hearing list. Or Your Lordship, excuse me, item 10 from the hearing
10
list.
hearing.
Yes. This matter may kindly be refixed on 14th of August, coming Thursday, Your Lordship. On behalf of Livika, Your Lordship.
On behalf of Livika.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Government Advocate Noli has made a mention on behalf of the Government Advocate MS Livika, who is appearing in the present case, and prays for
To be listed on 14th of
listing
August.
the matter on 14th of August. So the learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Is the matter on 14th August.
Lordship, I also like to mention item 5 on her behalf, Your Lordship. This matter may kindly be listed after a week, Your Lordship. I've taken the consent of the petitioner.
With the consent of the petitioner, learned Government Advocate Nahuli has prayed for listing the matter on same day.
No, after a week. No, that's
The matter after a week. So
much obliged.
just after a week.
Request my Lord Hapik to mention item 11 and 12. Here in item number 11, I would like to file an IA. So I pray that liberty may be granted, Your Honor.
Are you for?
To replace a word in the petition, Your Honor.
Learned counsel for the petitioner is filing prays for 1 week, 2 weeks,
2 days, Lord.
2 days.
Yes.
Okay, prays for a week's time to file an IA in the present matter. Learned Government Advocate
I've taken the consent from Madam Secretary.
has no objection. List after 1 week.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, 3, and 4. My senior has some personal difficulty today.
So when do you want?
Kindly list this matter on 2nd September.
2nd September.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your Ladyship, I'm appearing for the private respondent in item number 2 and 3.
Okay.
Respondent number 2.
2, 3, 4.
My lady, this is the case of the petitioner. After securing interim injunction, the petitioner has been doing this. So my respectful prayer is that interim injunction may be vacated and the next date may be fixed for hearing.
No, we'll just give a remark about that. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Tai Kriller, submits that the leading counsel is an outstation lawyer and accordingly has prayed for listing the matter on 2nd September for admission hearing. Stop. Learned counsel, Mr. Ketuka Sumi, appearing for respondent number 2, has objected to the said prayer on the ground that after obtaining the interim order, the petitioner has been seeking adjournment on several dates.
All right.
How many times they have sought
This
adjournment?
would be the second time, Your Honor.
Second
And most
time.
importantly, Your Honor, the petitioner has been on one pretext or the other, dragging this case since last year. They've changed the council recently, and then all this
The
problem
problem
has
is
been.
he's from outstation, no?
Yes,
He's
Your
from
Lordship.
Guwahati.
Yes, Your
But
Lordship.
anyway, you tell him
Your
next time.
Ladyship, we also have online provision, so even if
Yes,
he's from
online
Guwahati, he
provision
can
is also
virtually
there.
appear. There is no problem.
What did I say last time? That seeking adjournment on several occasions and accordingly prays that this may be the last opportunity. Stop. Having gone through the records, it is seen that this matter has been filed in 2024 and the matter has been kept pending till date. Accordingly, an effort will be made to dispose of the matter on the next date. Stop. The counsel for the petitioner is also given liberty to appear virtually. Stop. Is listed on 2nd September. Yes, interim order, I think.
In item number 2.
Item 2 only.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In item 2, criminal 32, the interim order passed shall be extended till the next date. Yes.
Lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 15.
Here also second September, this one also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same prayer on behalf of the
Interim may
council,
continue, Your Lordship.
List on 2nd September and the interim order shall continue till the next date. 2nd September, yes. Yes,
Item number 8, hearing list.
item 8.
Yes, Your Lordship, this matter, the trial stage, it was also
Your
taken
audio is
in the initial stage.
we can't
May
hear you.
recuse this. Yes,
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 you
yes.
are seeking adjournment.
No, actually this matter
Yes.
in the trial initial stage, this was, your leadership was also
Oh, acha, acha.
taking up this matter in the, maybe,
Okay,
and
okay.
let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay, okay. Just give me the file once, this hearing item 8.
Ask for the
But judgment was passed by someone else,
yes,
maybe during the initial stages. Then it should be
yes,
okay.
yes. So, really,
Yes. You want to take up today or you're not ready?
your Lord, let it come after a week.
After 1 week? Learned Counsel for the
Yes.
appellant, Mr. N.K. Lukam has prayed for a week's time. List after 1 week, Learned Counsel for the Learned PP, Mr. K. Angami is present for the state respondents. List accordingly.
Okay, please, my lady.
Yes.
I'd like to mention item number 17. Item 17. I have, ladyship, can you grant me 2 weeks' time? The complainant department is lottery and they want they have instructed me to seek some time. So I don't want to go through the case also. So this is a criminal petition.
You want to file some objection? Or
The instruction, I don't know what instruction they'll give, but they said they asked me to seek for 2 weeks' time. So,
Your Ladyship, on the last occasion, there's a specific order that the interim will be considered on the next day.
even CD, I've received CD, but again, it was not updated. So even the CD expert, I've requested that IO of the case to update me with this, the status of the case. So taking into
what is the urgency?
The
You want to
petitioners.
state the criminal proceeding?
Yes.
there's investigations only going on now, so I don't think there's actually any urgency.
They are being harassed. In fact, on 2 occasions that we have appeared before the investigating agency, and time and again they are being summoned. Your Ladyship may kindly appreciate one fact is that there are 3 FIRs filed for the same subject matter, for the same allegation. There are 2 which was filed before Hari Street, Kolkata. And there's also another
Let's see,
in the
you
state
just
of
wait
Kolkata.
for some time. We will see regarding the interim. Okay. Yes, anyone else? No.
I beg to mention item 9, appearing
9.
for respondent 1. Yeah. Since my senior is on leave, so if the matter can be listed on 18 August,
Sungtila,
respondent 1, appearing for
who you're appearing for?
Intiwapang.
Intiwapang. Oh, okay. But appellant is also not there. Oh,
I have no objection.
Joint counsel, such and such, appearing for respondents, for the respondents has prayed for how much time?
18 August. If the matter can be listed on 18
fixed
August.
date on
Prayed for
18th.
listing on
Fixed on 18.
18th August. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant is present and has no objection. List on 18th August for hearing. Yes,
Obligement.
Also, item 13 and 14.
13 and 14. Yes.
For respondent 1 and 2.
This
For
one
item
also.
13, yes,
Same day.
Same date.
Same prayer, same day, 18th.
Lordship, I'm the counsel for
And
the
here,
appellant in item number 13.
13 also you're the appellant, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, learned counsel for the appellant.
Lordship, I'm appellant in item number 14.
And also in 14 also, learned counsel, the equivalent for the appellant present. Yes.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7. Lordship, I have instructions to appear on behalf of for respondent number 2. Kindly allow us 2 weeks' time to file our vakalatnama.
Learned counsel, MS, your name?
2 weeks.
Name.
Rebecca.
Rebecca appears for the respondent number 2 and Learned counsel, Ms. Rebecca submits that she has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 2 and accordingly prays for how much time?
2 weeks' time.
2 weeks time to file the vakalatnama and objections if any. So prayers aloud. Learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned PP are present. List of the
No, Your
two.
Lordship,
Oh.
not PP, Your Lordship. Item 7.
Oh, this is a COP.
Yes.
Okay. For you are for
Respondent number 1.
respondent Mr. Kenangami for respondent number 1 is also present. List of the two is.
Obliged, sir.
For motion, item number 1. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, here I'm appearing on behalf of Dida's senior advocate, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the senior have some difficulties, Your Lordship. Since just yesterday his mother-in-law expired, Your Lordship. So if the matter can come up after 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
Actually, there's nothing in this petition.
Lordship.
This is that one. No? His name is not even there. He's not mentioned. Why it's anyway.
After 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
It is Mr. Such and such, learned counsel submits on behalf of the leading counsel,
Didas.
Mr. D. Das, who is in bereavement, and prays for listing the matter
On 2nd of September.
on 2nd September. Learned PP is present and has no objections. You have received instructions otherwise?
Yes,
City and
Yes.
okay, list on 2nd September.
Much obliged.
for orders. Item number 6.
Yes. Is anyone appearing for respondent 4?
Lordship, I am here on behalf of the respondent number 4, Deputy Commissioner number 2. So I'm yet to obtain the power.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Bakrin Chakri is present. Mr. N. Nangami, learned counsel for respondent number 1, and Mr. Moa Jamir, learned counsel for respondent number 2 are present. So Mr. Im Tim Song is present and has submitted that he has received instructions to appear on behalf of respondent number 4 and prays for how much time?
I'm here for time to file
No, that's why how much time?
2 weeks time.
Prays for 3 weeks time to file his Vaklat Nama and the affidavit in opposition. So prayers allowed, list after 3 weeks. That motion and then this one. So this one the affidavit has come. Then this one will take time now. So let's take up this one then.
For admission, item number 17.
Mr. Sri Jamir, that one will take time. So let's do it in the end. Instead, the petitioners were reported to be indulging in printings relating fake lotteries. Okay, fake lotteries and fake prize winning lottery. So interim prayer is for stay of FIR dated 13/3/23.
Yes, yes. In respect of the present petitioners, there are altogether 20 accused persons. My prayer is only in respect to the 6 petitioners who are before this honorable court.
And you were saying that there are other previous FIRs also?
Yes,
with
yes.
regard to the same
If I may be
matter?
allowed to finish. These are the details of all the 3 FIRs. I have enclosed the copy of FIR as well as the charge sheet pertaining to the 3rd FIR. May I take your ladyship to the next page? This is dated 27/6/2022. This is the first FIR, which was launched before the officer in charge, High Street Police Station, Kolkata. So just the subject, complaint against Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so. These are the petitioners, present petitioners, herein jointly referred to as the accused, who are organizing and or distributing fake lottery tickets and also involved in printing fake lottery tickets and conducting online lotteries. This is important. So this is the allegation. It was registered on 23rd of August 2022. And in this case, the present petitioners, they were granted anticipatory bail. They were granted anticipatory bail. Your ladyship will find next to the FIR. This is an order dated 19/09/2023. My apologies that this is not, there's no pagination in the set of documents.
Yes, this is.
This is an order passed by-
Kolkata Court.
Yes, High Court of Kolkata. So 19/9/2023. The relevant para is paragraph number 7, page number 2 of the order. This is very important. Just the paragraph 7, I'll read only the paragraph 7.
Yes.
Be that as it may, the entire transaction is based on documentary evidence, and we allow custodial interrogation of a particular accused when there are sufficient justification in the hands of the prosecution to demand that. In the present case, unfortunately, we do not find any such justification for custodial interrogation of the petitioners, as no prima facie linked to the petitioners with the alleged fact record has been established, at least prima facie, as yet. So, preliminary inquiry report was submitted at the time of hearing this bail application, and the High Court of Kolkata has clearly stated that no prima facie case has been established against the petitioners, and these are the present petitioners before this honorable court.
No, but this, in fact, refers to another state of
Yes.
Mizoram.
Yes.
And
This is pertaining
with
to.
regard
This is
Nagaland.
pertaining to. No, the Honorable High Court of Kolkata has also referred to Mizoram as well as in the state of Nagaland, because the allegation is pertaining to the state of Nagaland. In the FIR, the allegation is pertaining to the state of Nagaland.
No, see paragraph 4 in the High Court's order. There is no denying of facts that state of Mizoram has also opined that the lottery tickets claimed to be
Issued by the state of
by the state
Mizoram.
Mizoram are sold in West Bengal.
Yes, because there was a specific allegation, even for the state of Mizoram, that fake lottery tickets are being distributed. That was the allegation in the FIR. But the Honorable High Court has also established, has observed that no such fake lotteries are being distributed in respect of state of Mizoram.
No, this is as far as bail is concerned.
Yes, bail,
Yes, that is
of
bail.
course I agree.
So FIR is a different matter
Yes,
altogether.
but the subject of the FIR, the allegation in the FIR remains the same. If your Lordship may kindly allow me to come to, refer to page 32 of the complaint petition, I have enclosed the subsequent FIR, the second FIR. Page 32 of the criminal petition. This is the FIR of the second FIR. This was, a complaint was made before the Aussie North Police Station. Yes. Request for initiating necessary action against those persons involved in the sale of illegal, fake paper online lottery tickets in the various parts of West Bengal using the name and logo of the state, Nagaland State Lotteries. That is the subject.
Yes, PP. Isn't it regarding the same matter here also in this FIR lodged before the North PS? It says those who are involved in printing, circulating fake lotteries in the state of West Bengal. And the other case was also West Bengal.
Yes, there are, so far I've come across 2 cases. I think another case is coming up day after tomorrow before this court, I think.
Same, in connection with the same thing.
No, petitioners are different.
Oh,
Yes. And as far as granting interims concerned, leadership, by the CDI got is only more or less half of the what is the investigation report only is up to 31st January 2000 last year. Now my learned friend has just submitted that they were summoned time to time and harassed. That kind of status I need because we have, even if I submit the CD.
Have you been appearing before the IO,
Yes.
giving your statement?
Yes,
Not
on 2
PS,
occasions.
not PS.
And in fact, in the bail order, it has reflected
Yes.
the 2 occasions when I appeared before the
Here.
IO. Before the.
We're talking about the not PS.
Yes.
Not PS case.
Yes, I have appeared on 2 occasions.
So if the investigation is to be stayed at this juncture throughout the entire investigation process, at least, even if to be heard in the interest of justice, if I can get some, at least the latest status, then I think it may help both.
Your
for the
CD is
parties.
only till
31 last year,
Last
January,
year.
yes. So I think there might be some development. So the status report, if we can get all of it, I think it benefits all the parties. Otherwise, by the set of position of law, this should not be
shows that
allowed.
there's no progress.
No, but he just submitted that they were harassed. So
when did you appear? When did you appear? Last.
Two occasions.
No,
Last
when?
year. Last year.
Last year.
Yes.
so a new fact has arisen even out of that.
2024.
This morning itself.
Then after that you have not appeared. That means going by your own submission.
Only one
Last year-
petitioner.
Last year.
Only one petitioner. He appeared on 3
Then
occasions.
how you are harassed
So
if you haven't appeared?
In fact, the law is very clear with respect to multiple FIRs. There is also a third
No,
FIR.
that is a matter of merit to be decided.
Third
but
FIR.
I'm only about on the interim. Okay, how much time? 1 week.
2 weeks, so that instead of coming
No,
like
just to update the CD. Final hearing can be another day, but just for consideration of the interim, the court needs the updated CD. That's all.
Yes, this morning I spoken with the IO of the case. Then he wants me. He also see, this is actually very. My lady knows it's also very sensitive again. So he impressed upon me to obtain some time. So if 2 weeks can be granted, if everything
No,
turns out.
you were seeking instruction on behalf of Lotteries Department. That is a different thing. That will be the merit of the case.
Yes.
But regarding the interim for staying of the FIR, we'll give you 1 week's time. Okay. And to consider the interim on the next case. Third General Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Mohan Jamil. On 21/7.
Your Ladyship,
yes.
if I may be allowed to please, just one or
Yes.
two judgments on multiple FIRs. Because
Oh,
there's also
we'll
a
hear you on the next day, okay? Because the court needs the updated CD. That is the main thing which the court has to look into, the CD. That is the most important thing. On 21/7/2025, this court had issued a direction that the interim prayer will be considered on perusal of the case diary. Stop. Today, when the matter is called, Learned PP, Mr. K. Angami, has submitted that he has received the case diary. However, it has not been updated, and therefore prays for 1 week's time to obtain the updated case diary. So, accordingly, this is the matter after 1 week. You want a
it can be
date?
fixed on 12th August.
The matter on 12th August, on which date the learned BP shall obtain the updated case diary, and the interim prayer will be considered on the said date.
Bless you, Ladyship.
This one, you'll keep it or?
For motion, item number 16.
Yes.
May I place your Lordship? Well, not considering the urgency involved in the case, Lordship was gracious enough to fix the case for hearing today
Yes.
in the motion admission stage. On the last occasion, that is yesterday, this matter was to be taken together along with the other writ petition, that is WPC number 134 of 2025. In the cost list, it is wrongly shown 138 along with 138. So I think that is just a typing mistake in the cost list. Otherwise, I believe
134 is also
file is
there,
also
na?
there.
134.
WPC 1434.
Yes.
Yes, file is there.
Yes.
And I believe the affidavit which we have filed this morning is also on record. May have
It has come.
On the last two occasions, we were dealing with the issue of the guidelines on the basis of earlier guidelines which was issued by the Government of India from time to time. Now that by filing the affidavit in opposition, in response to the IA, we have enclosed the latest and the relevant comprehensive guideline.
The 2025 one.
Yes, 2025 one. So I will rely on this because this will be relevant, and this is issued on 28 July 2025. Lordship will find at page 15. This is the comprehensive governing guidelines for all the central poll MBBS seats.
Your Ladyship,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt my learned senior friend. Now, if this afternoon, if your Ladyship is determined to dispose the petition, that is altogether another issue. But I learned that our learned Advocate General is coming. I don't know for what purpose he is coming. So, supposing if your Ladyship needs some clarification, especially pertaining to office memorandum, one by state, other by the central, because certain constitutional provisions, competencies are also involved in this case. Otherwise, everything has been heard, everything has been done. So my prayer is, since I learned that learned Advocate General is coming. So
It is just in the interest of all the parties that we wanted to dispose today. Because for the state as well as for the petitioner, the earlier we dispose, the better, isn't
Correct.
it?
Correct, Lordship.
correct. But since I heard that our learned Advocate General for the state is coming,
Because if we don't dispose today, then the interim order will continue.
yes.
Which
Interim
will
order
also
will
create
continue.
more problem, Lordship.
It's
That is
up to you.
No,
It's
it's
completely
up to your Ladyship.
No, for me,
It's not
I'm
up to
ready. I'm ready. But if you are mentioning on behalf of AG that he's going to appear on behalf of the state government, then we will grant the adjournment. But then this court will not vacate the stay order, will not modify the stay order. So that will continue till the next date when the AG will appear.
Lordship,
If
no,
you
I
are
have,
agreeable to
I
that-
have one submission there.
If you are agreeable to that, it's fine.
Going by the submission of my learned friend,
Yes.
it appears that there is no specific instructions from the learned Advocate General that he is coming for this. He has learned that learned Advocate
He is
General is
coming for
traveling
this
to Kohima.
matter.
In fact, he should have been here all the time. But anyway, he is
Anyway, why
coming
not,
from Delhi.
Ladyship
And
fix it
on that
tomorrow?
ground, my learned friend is
Okay, tomorrow. They
making
want it
the.
tomorrow.
Because he is reaching today.
Since Lordship has reserved all the
I think there is
finish
no
all the
difference between
items.
today and tomorrow.
Lordship may allow my submissions to be made today so that Advocate General can reply tomorrow.
That
And
can also be
whatever-
done, isn't it?
Yes, I think that is a better,
His submissions and then government submissions tomorrow. Part third, keep it part third.
yes.
No, it is already bartered, so why not tomorrow we continue?
No,
Suppose-
it's not
suppose-
part third. We
Because
have
I'm
only-
relying on few Supreme Court judgment. If I read those judgments also, that will assist the court.
Since learned AG is coming, he is on the way. So why not, if he says he will appear, then that is okay.
Okay, pass over for the day. We will say pass over for the day on the prayer of the learned senior government advocate on the ground that the learned Advocate General will appear in this matter.
Lordship, tomorrow is a division PhD and the cost list has already been published for tomorrow. That is the difficulty, Lordship.
Single page can be considered, your lordship.
And if I have understood correctly, my learned friend has just made a submission that I learned that learned Advocate General is coming. For what purpose
No,
he is
whether
coming,
he comes
he
or
doesn't know
not,
also.
we
He
will-
doesn't know
also, but let me have a
doesn't
consultation.
know.
Suppose
So,
if my learned
I pray
advocate
that
general is not
matter
appearing,
may be started. I can
suppose
submit.
if my learned advocate general is not appearing, let me have a consultation with him. Let me have a conference with him first, so that I can say what I have to say tomorrow.
That consultation can be met any time, but to save time, Lordship, to save the precious time of this honorable court, let
No, I
me proceed
think we
and
can-
then.
I think we can accommodate, if it's only for one day, it's okay.
Let me
Tomorrow
have a
we can
conference with
constitute
the
single
learned
bench also,
advocate.
it's okay. Yes.
If that is the case, that
Allow
is
me
all.
to have a conference with the learned advocate general.
Pass over for the day, like I said, on the prayer of the learned senior government advocate, that learned advocate general shall be appearing in the said matter. On the next date, on the date fixed, if the learned additional advocate general cannot appear, then the matter will proceed, and learned senior government advocate Moa Jamir will appear in the matter. Is that okay?
Lordship, tomorrow's, there are about 16 division bench matters.
Oh,
I do not know whether it will be
whether time
possible
will
tomorrow.
permit or not.
That's why, Lordship, at least we can start today, so that tomorrow it can be finished.
Ladyship, why not make a consider a single page at two?
No, if the division bench matters are not over at
Yes,
2, that is the problem.
that is the difficulty, Lordship. And it
No,
is a
if
time-bound
it's
matter.
single bench, no, you say if time permits, like that, okay? Just say like that. As soon as the division bench rises, something like that. We will say that as soon as division bench rises, and then if there's no time, we can start and then we can continue on Thursday. It's okay.
Lordship.
Apply.
Hola.